This is all you need for healthy tomatoes. It replaces a million other fertilizers. It's a versatile product with a use in gardening, especially for growing tomatoes. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to a bowl. Baking soda disinfects, reduces soil acidity, and prevents fungal growth. Now add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. The oil creates a light protective layer on the leaves, making it harder for insects to reach the plant. Next, add 1 tablespoon of any liquid soap. The soap helps the mixture stick better to leaf surfaces. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Pour 5 liters, about 1 1/3 gallons of water into a garden sprayer. Add the prepared mixture. Close and shake well. Now spray the tomato leaves, both on top and underneath. This natural solution effectively repels insects and pests. It protects against powdery mildew and fungi. Apply once a week, and your tomatoes will be healthier, stronger, and more resistant. No chemicals and no unnecessary expenses.